Hi, my name's Lee Cunningham. I'm part of the sales team here at HWM Aston Martin in Walton-on-Thames. Got the privilege of presenting this really striking Onyx Black DB11 AMR V12 Coupe. It's a 2019 car. The AMR is quite a special car really. Under the skin there's a few subtle tweaks that make it a real driver's car. Obviously it's got the iconic Aston Martin V12 engine in the front. The V12 is denoted really by the extra bonnet vents on this particular model. Again, very striking package, obviously with a very heavy black theme to it, as you can see. We've got a few features which I'd just like to point out to you. This is a really good standout example car. It's basically covered 7,600 miles from new. So we've got the privilege of obviously putting it out to the marketplace, and hopefully this video really gives you a sense and really a feel and an understanding of the, if you like, the vibe of the car and the atmosphere it creates. We've got the 10-spoke directional gloss black alloy wheels, contrasting with the lovely red brake calipers with black Aston Martin script writing. So it just pops a little bit of colour into it to really give it a bit of character. You've got the body coloured roof, the roof strikes are in body colour, got the red rear lenses on the car, but it's in really strong condition. We've just received the car, so it's about to go into our sort of preparation and pre-sales work. But like I said, real heavy black theme to the car. The paintwork's got a very light sort of black metallic flick to it, which you may be able to pick up in the studio lights here. Just really gives it, it really makes it pop when you see it in the flesh. So what we'll do now, we're moving into the interior of the car, show you some of the features on that, and really just give you a sense of the character of it, and really give you an understanding of what it looks like. Hopefully the video will really give you an understanding of that. It is available for sale now. The images will be going up on our website shortly. So please, if you're interested, contact us, arrange a viewing, test drive, etc. And any information you want on the car, we're more than happy to forward it on to you. So welcome to the interior of the DB11 AMR V12. Continuing, if you like, the black theme now, we're moving into the interior cabin. Really strong specification. Obsidian black leather throughout, as you can see, which has got the heavy silver contrasting stitch. Quite a key element, the contrasting stitch, because it really enhances the shape of everything within the cabin. Also, you've got the AMR embroidered on the headrest as well, which denotes its kind of special nature. The trim inlay is piano black, which is the insert through the waterfall dashboard area and into the door cards. That's complemented with the satin chrome jewellery pack, which is your paddles, around your centre vents, speakers and door handles. So you've really got a really good contrast between the satin chrome, the piano black and obviously the obsidian black leather. That's also complemented with the grey Alcantara headlining as well. So that just brings a tiny bit more light into the cabin, which I think is critical in terms of just getting it a little bit brighter. But overall, it's a really classy, understated Aston Martin, which I really think suits the character of the AMR. Like I said, it's been cherished from day one, full Aston Martin service history. 7,600 miles from new. So if you're in the marketplace for a unique Aston Martin with the V12 engine, this hopefully is something that would be appealing to you.